The EUR4H strategy is based on breaking down the key support and resistance levels for the most popular currency pair, Euro-USD. A 4-hour chart is used for trading, and it does not take more than 30 minutes per day to work with the system. An experienced trader knows that the start of a strong trend occurs when the price falls outside a defined price range. This is how all trends begin. This is an excellent time to hop on a trade that is only starting to pull out of the station. Let's take a more detailed look at the trading rules. First, open the Euro-USD currency pair on the 4-hour chart. Then we need to determine the support and resistance levels. To do this, we will use the nearest fractals that formed before 6 a.m. GMT. A fractal is a combination of 5 candles that resembles the palm of your hand, where the middle candle has the highest maximum value. This is the maximum value, and it will be the level to buy. The opposite value is the level to sell. In the MT4 terminal, the fractal structure can be added using the fractals indicator. Next, we will set pending orders to buy and sell just above the fractal levels. This will allow us to find the trend regardless of which way it is moving. If one of the pending orders is triggered, then we delete the second and wait for the execution of the take profit or stop loss. If this does not happen before 16:59 GMT, then we will close the transaction manually. We will only open all new deals during between the period of 6 and 14:30 GMT. All pending orders that were not triggered are deleted. We must make sure to set a take profit and stop loss for each transaction. We will set the take profit as the size of the channel that was formed by the fractals. In order to determine the level of the stop loss, let's add a weighted moving average, WMA, with a period of 24. Let's set our stop loss at it. You can also find an example of the calculations in the trading system description. You can determine the risk calculations yourself based on your preferences, but we recommend that you assume a risk of not more than 2% of the deal from your deposit. If you're having trouble performing these calculations, then the trading system description contains an example of a detailed calculation of this parameter. Transaction support. If a transaction is opened on one of the pending orders, we can convert it to make a profit if the price exceeded half the width of the channel. Study the description of the strategy, add indicators, and complete several transactions based on strategy signals.